This problem asks us to take the integral of the natural log of x squared divided by x cubed. For purposes of this problem, we'll focus on taking the antiderivative and not go through the exercise of plugging in the 7 and the 1 to turn it into a definite integral. We'll make things a little simpler to start with by changing this quotient of two functions into a product, natural log of x squared times x to the negative third. We'll use something called integration by parts, which says that if you have two functions u and dv multiplied together, you can rewrite it as u times v minus the integral of v times du. We'll choose to let u be equal to the natural log of x squared, and dv to be the rest of the problem, x to the negative third dx. We need more pieces, so we'll take the derivative of u, which is 2 times the natural log of x, times 1 over x when we do chain rule. And the antiderivative of dv gives us our v of negative 1/2 x to the negative 2. We can take these values and put them into the integration by parts formula. U times v minus the integral of v times du. We'll do a couple of quick algebraic simplifications here. First, to notice we have two negative signs, so we'll change that to a plus. And notice that the 1/2 cancels out with the 2. This will give us a simpler integral for us to work with from here on. The simplified expression is the natural log of x times x to the negative 3 dx. We can do another round of integration by parts to solve the integral that remains. It's just good practice to let u be equal to any expression with a natural log in it. dv once again will equal the rest of the integral that remains. The derivative of the natural log of x is 1 over x, and the antiderivative, as we've seen before, of the dv is negative 1/2 x to the negative 2. Quickly, we rewrite the terms that were in the original formula, and now we'll put some square brackets around this new integration by parts process. U is natural log of x times the v minus v times du. And here again we have two negative signs that are in front of each other, and also noting that the expression that's in the integral can be condensed to 1/2 x to the negative third. A quick note that natural log of x squared should just be a natural log of x. So we have natural log of x times negative 1/2 x to the negative 2. And this antiderivative is simple enough to maintain, which is minus 1/4 x to the negative 2 plus c, which could be simplified further, but this is solid enough for our final answer.